string of pearls. Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we want to talk about one of the most beautiful and popular plants, the string of pearls. If you're looking for a plant that is both beautiful and easy to care for, be sure to watch this video until the end. Introduction to string of pearls. The string of pearls plant, scientifically known as Senecio relearns, is a beautiful hanging plant with small, round leaves that resemble green pearls. This plant belongs to the Asteraceae family and is native to southwestern Africa. String of pearls is a unique succulent plant that is easily recognizable by its leaves, which are shaped like small, round, pearl-like beads. It is also known as the bead plant. The string of pearls plant doesn't require special conditions. With adequate light and fertilizer, it grows fully within a season. If properly cared for, this plant can live for about 5 years. However, by propagating new plants from stem cuttings, you can keep it alive indefinitely. Continue reading to learn more about this fascinating plant. Light requirements. The string of pearls needs bright, indirect light. The best place to keep this plant is near a window that provides ample light without direct sunlight. Direct sunlight can cause the leaves to burn. Watering. Due to its succulent nature, the string of pearls stores water in its leaves and doesn't require frequent watering. Let the soil dry out between waterings. In the winter, when the plant's growth slows down, water it even less. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Soil. The right soil for the string of pearls should be well draining. You can use a mix of cactus soil and perlite for better drainage. Temperature and humidity. This plant tolerates normal room temperatures but prefers temperatures between 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Additionally, the string of pearls does not need high humidity and normal room humidity is sufficient. Feeding string of pearls. Feed your string of pearls plants every 2 weeks during the growing season with a balanced liquid or water-soluble fertilizer at a ratio of 1:1:2:1:2. Diluted to about half strength. During the plant's dormant period in winter, it only needs feeding every 6 weeks. Repotting string of pearls. It's a good idea to repot your string of pearls at the beginning of spring each year. They can be repotted multiple times. After a few years, it's better to propagate new cuttings instead of trying to maintain an older plant. Propagation. Propagating the string of pearls is very easy. Simply cut a stem from the plant and place it in water or soil to root. After a few weeks, your new plant will be ready. Common problems. Root rot. This issue usually occurs due to overwatering. Make sure to let the soil dry out between waterings. Yellowing leaves. This might be due to too much light or insufficient watering. Check the plant's location and your watering routine. Final tips. Keep the string of pearls out of reach of children and pets, as it can cause digestive issues if ingested. Ensure the plant is in a well-ventilated area for optimal growth. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our new videos. Until the next video, goodbye.